changes. You bring in Chris Alexander, and it all comes together.
You know, I'm getting a lot of email from Barangay Ginebra fans saying, ano pa naman yung Barangay Ginebra? Wala ng puso. Apparently, the only thing they needed was a bypass, and it came in the form of Chris Alexander and that never say die attitude and that heart. Started beating once again and then beat all the way to the finals and all the way to another crown for the Gin Kings.
Remember, he never had to win a do-or-die game in Game 6 just to reach this point. Jong Wichico was going to savor this win. This was a hard-earned win for Ginebra. Going to his family right there.
That's Kathy Narciso Wichico.
And I tell you, I've never seen Jong this emotional after championship games. You remember with that first championship with Ginebra, the way he went tumbling on the center court, that was just incredible. And Jong is going to savor this championship maybe even more with an undermanned lineup with so many injured players. And, you know, you defeat a team like Air 21, which is loaded with talented players, with superstars. And Chris Alexander and Alex Pisano enjoying the moment. Big Pablo adding to his already impressive resume and the championship with him. Jude Valenzuela, his first championship with his new team. Of course, Bosendi Cojuangco congratulating his head coach, Jong Wichico.
You know, for Coach Jong Wichico, the last time they had the finals or they won the championship was in the Philippine Cup last year. Since that time, what has happened? Nawalan siya ng assistant coach. Tapos pagpunta niya dito sa finals, ang dami niya rin mga players na nawala, na na-injure. Actually, when you look at this lineup, konti na lang dito ang remnants ng Philippine Cup champions. Of course, yung mga main guys nandyan pa rin, like JJ, si Mark Kagiwa, Eric Meng, Rafi Rivas, and Ronald Tubit. But the support cast, the guys that mattered, tumulong sila katulad nila Chris Pacana and all those guys, they weren't there and now they're part of a championship.
Let's send you over to Richard De Rosario for the formal awarding ceremony.
After 7 grueling games, we're about to crown our Smart PBA Fiesta Conference champions. But before we award the championship trophy, may we now call in the runner-up. Please give a welcome round of applause for the hard-fighting Air 21 Express. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for the Air 21 Express. Led by Team Governor, Mr. Lito Alvarez. Congratulations, sir. And may we call on PBA Commissioner, Mr. Sunny Barrios, PBA Chairman and Governor of the Red Bull Baracos, Mr. Tony Chua, and the Department Head of Sports Marketing and Smart Communications, Mr. Pato Gregorio, to award the runner-up trophy. Thank you very much. Please give another round of applause for the Air 21 Express. And now, presenting your champions of the 2008 Smart PBA Fiesta Conference, Barangay Ginebra Kings. Maggie Escalona, Willie Wilson, Vic Pablo, Alex Tosano, Salvacion, Chris Patana, Paul Artadi, Eric Meng, Ronald Tubin, Rafi Rivas, Billy Mamarel, Junti Valenzuela, Chris Alexander, JJ Helterbrand, and Mark the Smart Gadiwa. We also call in the team owner, Mr. Henry Guapo, team governor, Mr. Robert Lod, team manager, the Skywalker, Samboy Lim, head coach, Coach John Luchico, and assistant coaches, the Triggerman, Alan Taydick, Art de la Cruz, and Juno Soler. And to award the championship trophy, we once again call in PBA Commissioner Sonny Barrios, PBA Chairman and Governor of Red Bull Baracos, Mr. Tony Chua, and Department Head of Sports Marketing with Smart Communications, Mr. Bato Gregorio. Congratulations. And now to give us a short message, Mr. Henry Guapo, the team owner, sir, a short message to all the fans.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Air 21 for playing such a wonderful and tough series. Most of all, I would like to thank the legions of Barangay Ginebra fans. Without whose support, this team probably would have had a tough time winning tonight. In spite of all the injuries we have had this past week, it's because of the fans that the players kept on playing and they're playing for you. I hope you enjoyed this game, you enjoyed this championship. This is for you, Barangay Ginebra fans. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. And now, short message from the architect of this championship, head coach, Joe Michigo.
Sandali lang to, kung wala kayo, fans ng Barangay Ginebra, wala rin kami. Salamat sa lahat.
Man of the words, Coach Joe Michigo. And now we proceed to the awarding of the finals MVP. And I'll call in the president of the PBA Press Corps, Mr. Nelson Beltran.
The PBA Press Corps choice as finals MVPs are Eric Meng and Ronald Tubin.
Congratulations, co-MVPs. Eric, some words to all these fans.
Yeah, just want to